Hello guys, welcome to another section of our praise tutorial. I'm still with Aben, and the last week he showed us how to play this same IAE ray in a basic level. So today we are going to play the advanced form of the IAE ray as you just saw. So take a minute, like and then share and subscribe if you are not a subscriber to this channel, and God bless you, and let's continue with it. He's going to show us in a very slow way, and this time around we're going to be using the solfes instead of chord 1, chord 2. We're going to be using the do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, and I'm turning over to him. So your teacher Aben.
Alright, guys. Once again on the keyboard, that is key F. We're continuing from the first lesson that we learned. And let us pray for our mind back of what we learned previously so that we move on with the other one. Okay, that is the IAU ray on the key F. The chord do, fa, sol, then the do. So we learned something like the do, re, do, fa, sol. Good. So we did something like IAU ray. So let's do a little bit of it.
Now, if you are thinking about this video, you can check the previous video, which I'll be putting in the description below. It should be popping up for you in the far right corner up there. You can click on it and it will take you to the previous video, which is the part 1 of this one.
Okay, so today we are moving on in advanced version of the first one that we did, and this is how we're gonna do it. Play it for you so that you see a little. So this is how we're gonna play it. Still on the do, like this. And please take note of this one, the left hand side. Once you press the left hand side also goes this way. The do, another do on the left hand side like this. So that's how you're gonna play it. So how once you are playing this way, another one goes with the hand. Okay, so this is how it goes. this is the do, re, mi, fa, so. So is la, do, and mi. So it's la, la. That is nayema, nayema. And take note of the left hand side also. Nayema. Also you'll be playing the re, la, and the re. Nayema, nayema. So let's play it so that we land onto the yema.
Ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah,
I hope you are following. Nayema. So we are continuing. Nayema. So let's do it slowly so that you get to know it again. So I'm beginning from the Nayema also, then we come back to the normal do. Nayema. Nayema. So I'm playing it once again so that we put all together. Then we take it one by one, one after the other. Okay. So let's begin it.
yeah, yeah. So I want him to add the diminished chords. You know, he was playing some licks inside. I want him to add it to you so that you too can play like that.
All right. Yeah. Okay. Then this is how we are.
So if I saw it, the first you played something there.
Yes.
Before moving to the 4 chord, which is the fact you played something. Can you show us?
Okay. So this is how it goes. So this is it.
Okay. Yeah, it's a C sharp, C diminished chord, C7, C diminished 7. Yeah.
Okay. So that is it. Let's play it once again so that you get to know it more. Okay. So it's.
Or you can say tall. It's a sound of a tall chord. Yeah.
But guys, don't be confused. You see that in the course of playing, you adding this H. That is
Octave.
yeah, very
The
good.
8th note. It's the same as the C note he's playing.
Or the so first.
Ah, yeah, yeah.
Guys, let me move on slowly so that you get to know it more. One
All
more
right.
time.
For the last time, let's do it one more time. Slowly.
Slowly. So this is the do.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, so I'll sing and then you say the do, the fa. Yeah, so ah yeah, yeah. Ah yeah, So we'll end this tutorial here.